Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily redeem Steam gift card codes. Let's begin. First, open Steam clients. Once you have successfully logged into your account, I want you to click over this section. This will be your profile icon or manage accounts. Click on it. Then go to view my wallet. Then here you will see you can easily have the option to add funds, but this is not what we're doing today. Just over here, you will read redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Click on it, then enter your Steam wallet code. Usually it will just be 15 digits. So I want you to triple check and make sure you have carefully type in every single digit accurately, or else you will receive this error that usually it could be the IL1 they can look alike or the VY, even the 0 and O. So triple check those. And once done, you should be able to see that your wallet balance has been funded. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.